How to create Spotify artist account. So first you want to open up your browser, and then in the search bar you want to type artists.spotify.com. And once the page loads, you want to click on get access. You can do this on mobile devices too. Then you want to select artist or manager, or whether you are a label team member. So in this case, we want to click on artist or manager. And now you will need to sign into your Spotify account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up here to sign up for a free account. Now, after you sign in or you sign up to your new account, you should find this page right here, which allows you to claim any music that you have on your on Spotify to your profile or to your artist profile. So you want to click on continue. But if you don't have any music yet on Spotify, you should click on this option right here, which is music not yet live on Spotify. So you want to click on this, and you can read more in this page on how to get started posting or uploading music to Spotify. So to distribute music on Spotify, you will need a distributor. So you're going to click on this here to see the recommended distributors list. So you can do your research to find the best one that suits your needs from these supported lists of distributors. But for this tutorial, I'm going to click on the first one. Then you will be taken to this page where you will need to sign up for a distributor account. So basically this acts like a middleman that will allow you to publish your music to Spotify. And once you set up your distributor account, you will need to go back to Spotify and click on continue and click on next if you want to use this profile. Otherwise you can click on change account. Now click on next again. And then you will simply search for your profile artist name. So for example, this one right here. And you want to click on your profile to claim it. And it will tell you if the profile is already claimed or not. So let's test, for example, another profile name. And you should see something like this, whether the artist profile is already claimed or not, and whether you can claim it or not. And that's pretty much it. If you do have any issues, you should try to contact the Spotify support. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.